Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the video. We're going to review with the photographs, because this will give you more ideas of how you're going to draw your picture, right? What the graphics are. Rather than just looking at a word and looking at a definition, we need to see it too. If we see it, then it really becomes concrete. All right, so this word is apprentice. What was that definition again?
A person who works with the experts to learn a job.
Okay, so here you see a guy, right? Does this guy look like a teacher?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this guy down here, this is the apprentice. So he's learning from him.
He's learning from an expert.
He's learning from an expert. All right, next one. Atmosphere.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, if you're actually up in space, that's what it's going to look like. So what did we determine was atmosphere?
The cloud.
What was the definition?
The air that surrounds Earth, the air and subject.
Okay, so we decided it was the gas, or actually it's the gas that holds our air in, right? So we're going to learn more about that when we move into science.
It looks like that.
Okay.
It looks like chemical.
Chemical. What's our definition for chemical?
Raise
Your hand, please. Chemical. Matthew.
A substance.
A substance. Okay, we talked about a chemical reaction in things. So this lady here, in your definition, it said of chemistry, right? So, she's a chemist. A chemist studies chemicals in chemistry. Oh, that's how that word works. Okay?
Club.
Club.
Rest.
So raise your hand. What is a club?
A group of people join together for some special purpose.
Yeah. So here, like it says, reading rest stop, right? These kids are probably in some kind of reading club. Now, is club a multi-meaning word?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so what's the other meaning for it? It's like a golf club. What's another one?
Dance club.
A dance club. I could also say, hey, I'm going to go to the club this weekend. All right? Go next. Essay. Essay. Who's got something for essay? Right here, in front.
A short written conversation that makes a point about something.
And we said that was the key thing, right? It makes a point. It's not just writing a story. I'm writing an essay.
Is it recording?
Yes. There we go. Manufacturing. There's your visual. Look here. Made by machines, right? Again, I disagree with the book. The book says made by hand, but Grandma doesn't manufacture rugs. She makes rugs. And I don't go out there and manufacture breakfast. Okay? This is more manufacturing.
Okay, that's factory.
That's a factory. Yep. And usually the way it works is you have people who oversee how the machines build things.
I know the definition.
It's okay. What is it?
To make by hand or machine, often by many people doing specific parts.
Specific parts, exactly. When you're manufacturing something, if we were to manufacture something in our class, I would set it up right. Okay, this table over here, you guys are going to make the rings. You guys over here, you're going to tear the fabric apart. You guys over here, you're going to start tying it on. You guys over here are going to do this, okay? That's how that works. It's one group of people doing one thing and then another group of people doing another thing. And then here they use it by, so.
Pressure.
Pressure.
He's having too much pressure.
All right, raise your hand please for pressure. I gave you guys a word. Lucas, what was the word I gave you?
Force.
Force. Okay, right there. If you've got a cut.
Yeah, the force is to not bleed.
Right, I'm going to apply pressure. I'm going to apply force against it so it'll stop bleeding. Good job. There's a visual for pressure.
The continued action of the weight.
Yeah, look here. Scales.
From a fish.
Yeah.
Oh,
Fish scales. Now, raise your hand. Is there another definition of scales? Somebody? Caillou.
No.
Yeah? Zeke?
Then flat, hard clips that from the outer covering Some fish.
That's fish.
Fishes, snakes, and lizards.
What's another one for scale?
The doctors put you on a scale.
Yes, I'm going to use scale to take measurements. Okay, it's the first thing you do. You go to a doctor's office, and trust me, when you get older, when that doctor says get on the scale, you're like, no. Okay, for you guys, doesn't the nurse take you up and weigh you?
Yeah.
What does she weigh you on?
On a scale.
On a scale.
Oh.
All right.
It's
Let's
the
turn
one
this
that
off.
weights you. How they weight you.
That's great. It's right. He's correct. All right. So let's pull up and let's look at our 4-column notes, please. So on Tuesday, we looked up our definitions. We just reviewed our definitions. Okay. Now we're going to go in and I'm going to ask. We need to create a graphic of our own. Seeing the picture is one thing, but we need to create something of our own, something that we have. So let's see. Our first word is apprentice. Let's see. Who am I going to have for apprentice? You want to come up and do apprentice? Give us a visual for apprentice. Right here. Just right here. Okay. So once again, class, while he's drawing that, what is an apprentice?
Drawing.
What is an apprentice?
Princess. Somebody who's still learning.
Someone who's learning from somebody else. Okay? A person who is learning. Okay, just start right here. That's fine. All right. While he's doing that one, our next word, let's have another person come up and draw something for me. I have atmosphere. Who's going to draw atmosphere for me? All right, come on up. Now, while they're drawing theirs, I want you guys drawing yours on your notebook. Oh, okay? You guys should be drawing yours as well. You may want to take their idea, or you may want to have one of your own. There you go. So who's that guy? Rich guy? Okay, what's he doing?
Poor guy.
Okay, that's fine. All right, now the only thing, Matthew, I'm concerned about is you're saying a rich guy teaching a poor guy. I'm not rich, but I'm teaching you. Are you poor? No, remember, it's just going to be, if you want to get technical, let me see your pen real quick. Why don't we do this instead? Let's say teacher
Student.
and student, or learner. Let's say learner.
Oh.
Okay, and this person is blah, blah, blah. He's telling them to do something. Okay, good job. Have a seat. All right, essay. Let's come up and draw a picture for essay. Layla, come on up.
Miss G, my little brother, he was scared to stand on the scale at the hospital, so he lifts up his feet while his mom
held him on there. Oh gosh. Now what I see Joey drawing over here is he's drawing high, middle, and low. You're drawing the clouds, aren't you? Okay. Now in the story you read this week, you guys read something called The Man Who Named the Clouds, right? And in there, he talked about what Joey's drawing right here, right? The different levels of the atmosphere and how those clouds can be in different levels. There was a really nice graphic source in your book, and I think that's where he's drawing his picture from. That might be something that you guys want to do. Okay? The other way, maybe if I was going to draw it, I might draw the planet. Here's Earth, right? The planet. And maybe I'm just going to draw I know the atmosphere exists around me. Okay? Yeah, there you go. All right, she's got essay. Chemical. Who am I going to get for chemical? Ooh, Alicia, come on up. Yep, that's fine. Okay, that's good. Good job. All right, Joey. Okay, Shalisha's going to draw chemical for us. Chemical. Now, I like her example. Ladies and gentlemen, I need your eyes up here, please. Look at her example for essay. She wrote on there, animals. So do I know what that writing's about now?
Yeah.
Yes, it's going to be about animals. Okay? Let's see what she does for chemicals. All right, club. You want to do club? All right, come on up. Do club for me.
Who does have club?
She's coming.
Oh, on your paper.
Okay. So I think we're drawing like little, like little beakers in science, right? I'm sorry, what? I don't know. I can't see that far. If you think you're cut, then you might need to go to the nurse. Okay. Right. Then you're gonna show maybe you're gonna show a chemical and what she was doing. There was like something here, and maybe it's bad, right? So bad. Chemicals, right? Okay. All right, you guys drawing on your own. I'll come around and spot check. I want to see people drawing their own pictures. While they're finishing theirs up there. All right, you're drawing an atmosphere. Oh, I like that one there. That's fine. It's okay. Yeah, good job. Good job. Yep, good. All right. Thank you. See, my next word. What's my next word? We did club. Manufacturing. Who wants to come up and do manufacturing? All right, come on up.
I've been doing the wrong one.
That's okay. Okay.
There you go. I just did the whole thing.
There's some right there too. All right. Manufacturing. What was we talked about with manufacturing? What kind of things are going on? Things are being made, right? To manufacture. Manufacturing. There you go. Like your good job. Good job. Oh, I see what we're doing here. All right, pressure. While she's finishing that one up. Pressure. Come on up. Okay, what's my word for pressure? Force. Use the pressure, Luke. Oh, wait, that doesn't work. Okay. You can draw it right here. It's fine. All right, good job. I see what she did there.
Where's the chemical?
He's coming up. We got to head in the way. Chemicals. So when you're thinking of chemicals, what she drew up there, she drew a beaker, like a for science experiment. Okay?
Oh.
That's where we're going to use chemicals. I like it. She's adding in people, right? It's part of manufacturing. Yes, things are manufactured by machines, but humans have to be there as well, right? All right. Good job. Scales. Scales. All right, come on up. Let's do my scales. Oh, good job. I like that. Good job. Okay, I see what he did here. He was like the picture we saw. He's showing somebody putting pressure on a wound, right? So I'm going to put pressure on something. I'm going to apply force. All right, what do we got for scales?
I'm just talking.
Oh, I see. Okay, like the fish, right? A little. It's usually some kind of like artistic pattern, right? There you go. Got a fish. Who else has scales?
Like the hospital ones?
The hospital does, but the kind that they talk about, the fish has scales. Who else has scales?
Lizards!
Lizards! Nope, ropes. Who else?
Turtle rope.
Huh?
Turtle.
Yeah. Battle rattle, nope, ropes. Yeah, sometimes the scale of a turtle.
Yeah.
What about the big guys?
Crocodile.
Dragons. Dragons. And you guys remember, I know you've seen
Fire.
Smog, right? Smog from Lord of the Rings. Remember he was missing a scale?
Oh, yeah.
That was his critical weakness. All right, good job. Yep. What?
A dinosaur got scaled.
Certain ones did, probably. Some of the guys, though, just they have like that leathery skin.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, snap that out, you guys. Good job. Look at these drawings. Awesome. Awesome. All right, let's take a real quick stretch break, and then we're going to talk sentences. Everybody up. Everybody up. All right, let's reach over one side. Way over. There you go. Other side. Okay. Let's go down. Okay. Oh, I feel that on my back. Let's pick up.
You know, how come that
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, quick stretch break. We're not going to get distracted. Let's sit back down, please. Okay, so now I'm going to provide you guys with some ideas. Let's talk about the way we round out our 4-column notes. And now we need to see how do we use these words in a sentence. Okay, you don't have to write these down. Let's just brainstorm right now. 10-second think time. Apprentice. 2 step, please. It's applying pressure to a wound. Yep, just like the picture we saw.
Oh, that was
All right, apprentice.
I saw an apprentice at the hospital.
Okay, I saw an apprentice at the hospital. I like that. Okay.
I saw an apprentice at a school.
Okay. I hear a lot of I saw. Let's try a different sentence that doesn't start with I saw.
I am an apprentice.
There we go. Taking ownership. I am an apprentice. All right, let's move on to our next word. Atmosphere.
Scientists study about the atmosphere.
Very good. Good job. What about you?
The Earth has an atmosphere.
The Earth has an atmosphere. We gotta keep going, guys, because we gotta get to the gym, right? So, essay. Should I give you a sentence for essay in the back?
I read the essay that somebody wrote.
There you go. I read the essay that someone wrote about animals. One more.
She got an A+ on the essay.
There you go. I like that one. She got an A+ on the MS test scale. Okay. Chemical. Hang on. Somebody haven't called on yet. What have I called on? Chemical. Remember we talked about chemical.
Next.
Hang on. Hands down, folks. Yeah, okay. I like how he's making it a plural, right? Be careful, there are bad chemicals. All right, someone else I haven't called on. How about you up here? Chemicals. Matthew.
Chemicals mean like.
What's a sentence we can use chemical in a sentence?
That gas has chemicals in it.
There we go. Yeah, like you could say the air had a very chemical smell. All right, club. Right here.
I joined the math club.
I joined the math club.
I played mini golf with my club.
I played mini golf with my club using those multi-meaning words. Okay, manufacturing. Right here.
My brother is manufacturing.
Yeah, you can say my brother works in a manufacturing plant.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Again over here.
manufacturing guy.
You say my grandma was manufacturing a rug, but that makes me sound like she's sitting with a machine rather than doing it by hand. But that's okay. All right, pressure. Pressure. Yeah.
Oh. My uncle pushed hard on somebody's arm so the blood won't come out a lot.
But you have to use the word pressure in the sentence. If you have a wound, you need to apply pressure, right? Pressure.
I put pressure on this to close it.
There you go. I applied pressure to close it. All right, last one is scales. Let's see if we can get 2 different versions here. Who have I not called on?
Pet fish has scales.
My pet fish has scales.
My brother wouldn't go on the scale.
My brother wouldn't go on the scale. All right, guys, great job. Let's line up, please.
I almost put my stuff in.